What's good, YouTube? Alright, so if y'all tapped into the last video, you understood that um, I had a bad trade. But today, not only did we, you know what I'm saying, have a pretty good damn trade, but we also toured some nice ass apartments once again. Because if y'all tapped in, you know, me and my man's is looking to move out by summertime to be able to just really lock in on shit. Honestly, I need to change the scenery to kind of give me a new like motivation, new push, bro. Obviously, my drive is there. I'm still tapped into shit every single day, but just moving out would be a whole different drive. So I'm gonna show y'all some nice ass apartments we ended up touring. Mostly just the view for real. I mean, the apartment I don't really get much footage of, but the view is crazy. I'm gonna show y'all this trade that we ended up taking. Um, because it's a good trade for sure, bro. So let's go. Dog. For real. Bro would have to like this view. So I'm fine with it. But I mean, right here, I'm really just looking for a push out of the double wick right there, out of the fair value gap for the 3 minute time frame, so that I can break even my trade and be risk-free, a risk-free trade for the day. This was literally the only trade I took today because it ended up playing out, you know, beautifully. So here we go, looking like we're about to close outside of the fair value gap, so I break even my trade a little bit early, but for me, I saw it as good enough, also because I was scared of we were also in a fat ass 4 hour fair value gap, and we were actually below it at this point. So I was a little bit scared of it reversing early, full reversing, and then stopping me out really quickly. So I just broke even my shit pretty early, actually. But I mean, not much more to speak about. I mean, here we are pushing outside of the fair value gaps, where we're bouncing on the EMA here pretty much the whole time, bro. Right here, look how close I was to actually getting stopped to broke even. Damn, looking back, I didn't even, no way I was looking at my screen at this point. Here we rejected leaving the fair value gap, so I ended up actually trailing my stop loss to the green day, which is $150, bro. At that point, I kind of just wanted the green day. It rejected beautifully, so I was like, if it comes back down here again, then I mean, it's probably not gonna fly the way that I was hoping it would. But I mean, yeah, we're just kind of bouncing on this fair value gap right now. Not much to say about it, but it ends up pushing relatively quickly here. It should start to. I have this in 2x speed and it's still moving slow as fuck. And there's not much to talk about. I mean, right here, if you can see, the Stokes are kind of getting high. That's why I was like, okay, maybe this thing is going to full reverse out of the 4 hour fair value gap. We're actually on top of it right now. Just looking at the price, I know that this was the start of the 4 hour fair value gap. That we inversed, which is why we were looking for longs today. But yeah, we're kind of just bouncing it. We're bouncing it. I wish I scaled out to the 4 hours time frame to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, but I guess I was looking at the small time frames to see if we inversed a gap to the downside, and then I should get out of the trade early. But I mean, we're still pushing fine for me right now. I mean, we haven't even pushed out of the 5 minute yet, which is crazy, but the 3 minute got pushed outside of 1 minute, obviously reversed. But yeah, look at all these Stokes. Actually, the 1 minute is really low, but the 5 minute is super high. This is why I feel like the market was kind of slow pushing. But here we finally start running a little bit. Up 600 already. I mean, I would have been fine closing position, but I was aiming for a re-push out of the 4 hour fair value gap, which would have been a 1300 day. That would have been fucking amazing, because this Express, bro, I've been I've been trading this Express for like a week now, and I've kind of been stuck because I was trading MNQs at one point, and then I changed it to NQs. I switched up my strategy a little bit, my rules. But yeah, here we finally push a 5-minute fair value gap, so I end up trailing my stop loss to that bearish fair value gap that we technically inverse right here. Because I mean, if it tapped back on that, then I feel like we were just gonna keep falling down and just create a consolidation, which at that point I don't even want to be in a trade anyway. And I hate to spoil it a little bit early here, but I do end up getting stopped out right there for the 605. I guess I could have took profit at like the 1,000 it was at, but I expected it to reject out of that 5-minute fair value gap, and since it rejected so nicely, I expected us to actually get up to that previous high right there, but we didn't end up doing that. I get stopped out, I think, like right now almost. Yeah, there we go. So all in all though, that's a good trade, y'all. So all in all, good trade for me. I mean, the market continues to move a little bit sloppily, I guess. I don't know. I think with all the, Trump doing the illegal fucking whatever he did that one day, and then the oil, what's going on with the oil, the metals are still being fucked with. So it's just like, I feel like the market's just kind of, NQ has been consolidating in a range for like a week or 2 weeks even, maybe. I'm not exactly sure, but I mean, it's not easy to trade right now. If y'all are having red days, bro, don't trip. It's kind of hard right now, to be honest with you, but I mean, all in all, bro, I hope y'all like the video, bro. If y'all want to see more content like this, let me know, bro. We should be touring more apartments soon, so I mean, if y'all want, I'll give y'all a full tour with rooms and everything, bro. So just let me know in the comments what y'all want, bro. Peace.